We are living in a day and age where the internet is booming. In fact, the number of people engaged in social media activities have increased exponentially over the past few years. Today, social media has indeed become an integral part of our lives. Along with this boost in social media usage, there has also been a threat which is constantly uprising. This threat is called cyberbullying. Cyberbullying or cyber harassment can be defined as the act of bullying an individual through digital means. This has various negative effects which include depression, lack of self-esteem, trust issues, and so on. We are giving more importance to the regional languages. Hence, our primary focus is on the Malayalam social media community. We have created a project that is capable of taking all the comments from under a social media post and can classify it as either support comments or bullying comments. We made an analysis by taking the comments from under 200 social media posts. And what we discovered was that on an average, 29.2% of those comments were bullying comments, 47.6% of those comments were support comments, we have developed a fully fledged UI as the front end. In order to find the number of support comments and the number of bullying comments in a particular social media post, all the user has to do is copy and paste the URL of that post. Then our UI will effectively display the number of supporting comments as well as the number of bullying comments. Web scraping is the first stage. Here, the comments get extracted from Instagram and are saved in a computer using Selenium Webdriver. Filtering is the next stage in the design process. Initially, all the emojis and stop words are removed from the incoming comments. Next, all the Malayalam words are transliterated, or in other words, they are converted to their Manglish counterpart. After that, we remove all the English sentences. Finally, we remove all the redundant or repeating letters from various comments.
Then the comments need to be spell checked, because when people type Malayalam transliterations in English, each person tends to type it differently. So to make it all uniform, we need to do a spell checking. Then we are going to convert each sentence into a vector format which can be easily understood by the computer. While doing this, we will disregard the words which are not useful for us for classification. Through dimensional reduction, we aim to reduce the features from high dimensional space to low dimensional space by choosing the features with maximum priority and frequency. This is to reduce the noise and to prevent misclassification.
The most fundamental step in designing our project was creating a strong machine learning model. We implemented 3 classifiers using SVM, Random Forest and XGBoost. Since SVM offered the best accuracy, we made that our main classifier. Moreover, implementing hyperparameter tuning has helped us in increasing our accuracy by a large extent.
To stop cyberbullying, we first need to detect it. Our project helps us to detect cyberbullying made in Malayalam language and its English transliteration. The future scope of our project includes the integration of the product to various social media platforms so as to help detect bullying comments in these platforms. It can be also improved to include the demographic of online bullies, which will again help to reduce the bullying.
With the advent of internet and social media, Connecting and sharing parts of our life with other people has never been easier. The World Wide Web is a deep ocean filled with all types of metaphorical flora and fauna. This project has massive untapped potential. We believe that our project can go a long way in pulling the plug on the cyber threat. We would like to acknowledge and show our gratitude towards our project guide, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, who has supported and guided us in all stages of this project, right from its inception till its completion. Moreover, we would also like to thank Dr. Prasad JC, HOD of FISAT Computer Science Department, Ms. Anita P, Head of Governing Body of FISAT, Dr. George Isaac, Principal of FISAT, and the entire FISAT Computer Science Department for all their support and guidance. Thank you.